Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the McDonald's app on your iPhone. So if you want to order food, check deals, and get rewards directly from your phone, just follow these steps. All right, let's get started. First, find and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once the App Store is open, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. That's the little magnifying glass. Then tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type McDonald's. In the search results, you should see the McDonald's app near the top of the list. It's easy to recognize because it has the McDonald's logo and millions of downloads. Tap on the McDonald's app and then tap the Get button. If prompted, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The App Store will now start downloading and installing the app on your iPhone. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the installation is complete. Once it's done, tap Open and wait for the app to fully load. Once it's ready, you can sign in with your McDonald's account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After that, you'll be able to browse the menu, check deals, earn rewards, and order food directly from your phone. And that's it. That's how to download and install the McDonald's app on an iPhone.